And our main first question is, how does the perception of luxury vary across consumers? And is this perception univocal, which would mean that whatever question you ask about luxury, a given person would tend to answer in the same manner? Or is it the case that it has multiple facets in the sense that some consumers may think that luxury is mainly something hedonic, while others may think, no, luxury is mainly about tradition. So it's connected to what we just heard in the preceding presentation. Some other people may think it's more about conspicuousness. So there might be difference in perceptions of luxury across people. And importantly, there could be variations across countries. So overall, we analyzed 22 items. And a priori, based on previous literature, these items could be associated with 4 broad factors: hedonism, tradition, conspicuousness, which have more to do with, so to speak, a definitional view of luxury. So these are characteristics in which people may say, this is luxury. For luxury to be there, there must be some tradition, where other people may not feel it necessary. So you are really defining luxury in terms of the consumers. And the last part is more evaluative. It's more about acceptance of rejection of luxury. And the first point is that the bifactor model is a more general factor, which means that I've shown you 4 possible models. Well, there is a way to statistically test which one does better. So it's not an arbitrary choice. You can fit, in fact, the 4 and see whether you're doing better or worse with a specific one of the 4. You can directly model the links between original items and factors, which means you can identify non-existing group factors. So assume I had decided in advance that tradition was a factor. The model could tell me, no, it doesn't work. You don't find coefficients for that. So, of course, what I've presented, we have checked it. But if there were no link, we could detect it. Importantly, number 3, you can assess invariant in structures across countries. Because what I was assuming here is a single model, let's say hedonism, tradition, conspicuousness. But is it the same, let's say, in Japan or in France or in the US, in terms of the link between the factor and the items? We'll see that it's not the case. And we need to do that to be able to test differences across countries. Number 5 is that a positive point is that you can, so to speak, purify each group factor. What do I mean? I mean that if you are looking at tradition, you see that the items and traditions are influenced by the tradition part, but also by the general part. And so you want to remove the general part to get a more precise, more pure measure of the factor, the tradition factor. And you can assess separately the predictive role of general and group factors. 2 sets of conclusions. Conclusions on luxury is that with this new statistical approach, it's possible to identify and measure multiple facets to the perception of luxury by consumers. So you should not say that one country is high on luxury in general and another low. It depends on which facets. And we can measure them with precision by identifying which items should be used. Facets vary to some extent across countries. So you find, interestingly, I have no time, but some items tend to, in some countries, to be associated with another facet rather than the general rule. And we can nevertheless compare countries on the basis of core items for each facet. So it's possible to produce this. When is it potentially applicable? The key point is that you hypothesize that there is a general factor that accounts for the commonality of all items. So again, think of the intelligence example. You think there is a kind of general intelligence. You can tell if a person is intelligent in general or not intelligent. But one would hypothesize, in addition, multiple domain-specific factors, each of which is hypothesized to have a specific unique influence. And it's important if one is interested in the domain-specific factors as well as in the general factor. So this was it.